Today, I have a power-up video because I just completed my Arturia Mini preset pack. It was something that I've been working past 3-4 months, so it's been a while. And you know, when it takes that much of time, it oftentimes tends to be a very good preset pack. The aim for the preset pack was really making this modular analog type of sounds, because I feel like Arturia Mini is all about getting that analog vibe from the digital synth. And hopefully, I was able to do that. Preset pack, as usual, includes 3 different folders. The first one is, of course, all the loops. So we have 103 different loops for each preset, so that you can listen how actually that preset can be used. I think this could be very useful, especially to understand the preset and how to use it in your track rather than just hearing the sound itself. And of course, I have 103 MIDI files with it, so that you can, for example, see the chord progression, you can see the melody progression, you can see different things here as well. And everything is, of course, key labeled, and on the loops, everything is, of course, key and BPM labeled, so that you don't need to care about that. And of course, preset pack itself. And because with the new Arturia update, now we can also use the macros. So there's 4 macros each preset. For example, you can play around and then change. If you take this one, the thing that I like to do, for example, if you find something nice, something you enjoy, then you can just drop in the MIDI here and they will match each other. For example, let me try something. Let's say I want to try this Mind Against. This is like playful sound. But for example, if I drop down the MIDI here, you will actually see how this can be used. If I play now, and you can play here. So you should be able to quickly find out the sound that you are looking for and get inspired. So what I'm going to do now, as usual, let's do a quick preset view. So I will just go through the loops. These are basically just putting that MIDI file and playing that preset and saving. And you can see how these presets are sounding. And I will also show you our website, mercurytones.com, and show you around a little bit there as well. But let's take a look at the presets now. This is one of my favorite preset. I tried to go quickly with some other presets. There are more of them there, but you get the main idea. I try to make this really gritty analog sound as much as possible. The elbow modulation is in the sound to give this really character and a feel. But how do you get that? You just head over to mercurialtones.com. Let me show you. If you haven't been here before, you should. We have a lot of sample packs, preset packs. What do we have? The project files and so on. Everything is here. You can go check out different things here. So if you go to preset packs, for example, you will find these our preset packs. The one that I was showing to you is the mini preset pack. And you can again take a look at all the different things here, different things that we said, and you can listen one more time separately the selected presets here. And of course, you can just add to the card and check out if you want to, and a little bit more explanation here as well about what you get and how you get and so on. As usual, like I mentioned, 103 mini presets and 103 MIDI files with every preset, and for every preset there's also a loop to help you out. But other than that, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope preset pack is something that you would like to use. And let me know on the comment section which preset pack we should be taking next. I'm thinking of Vital, but if you think that there is another synthesizer that you want me to take a look, we can take a look at that. But other than that, I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you learned something, and I will catch you in the next one. Goodbye.